Most leadership teams don't have a strategy problem. They have an execution problem. And that's not because they're incapable. In fact, most leadership teams have a pretty good understanding of what they want to do and where they want to go. They know the market, they know the customers, they know their ambitions. The challenge they've got is translating those ambitions into the thousands of decisions, behaviours, actions that happen across the business every single day. Now, I've always believed that strategy and execution aren't separate things. Execution is strategy in action, and yet this is often where businesses struggle. Not because the strategy is wrong, but because there's a missing layer between that strategy and the day-to-day operation. Now, what does this missing layer look like? Well, it looks like clear ownership and accountability, like simple governance rhythms, having meaningful measures, having defined operating models, and having effective decision-making frameworks. In other words, all of the mechanisms that help a business consistently turn intention into action. Because without them, something predictable happens. Priorities become unclear. People interpret strategy differently. Decisions get delayed. Measures don't tell you what you need to know. And despite everybody's best efforts, the organisation slowly drifts back towards business as usual. Now, the businesses that execute well aren't necessarily the ones with the most ambitious strategies. They're the ones that have invested time in understanding how they will deliver them. They've created the structure to provide clarity, enough governance to maintain momentum, and enough accountability to ensure that progress doesn't rely on a handful of people driving everything forward. Because single strategies don't create results. Great execution does. And execution isn't about working harder. It's about building the operational capability to consistently deliver what you've already decided matters most. See you in the final episode.